Nobody warned us about the financial trauma that comes with starting over, especially as immigrants. You think you're building a new life. Next thing you know, your money is disappearing. You're working hard, you're budgeting. But your bank account? It is shocked, too. If you've ever looked at your statement and wondered, where did my money go? Then this video is for you. New country, new system, new bills, new stress. And somehow, everyone around you looks like they're thriving, while you're here Googling, why is rent like this? In the middle of all the chaos, we find ourselves picking up money habits that drain us quietly. Habits we don't even question because everyone else seems to be living the same life. From my experience, these are the habits are silently keeping us broke as immigrants. And if these resonate with you, you need to make amends. Habit number 1, sending money you can't afford to send. Some of us will be drinking water for dinner, but still giving out money like we run a small government. The guilt that life won't go on if you don't send that money is what drives us. You'll be going overdraft to support people who don't care too much about you. Meanwhile, you're here negotiating with your landlord to give you an extension to pay your rent next week. Don't get me wrong, helping is beautiful. But helping while drowning? That is financial suicide. What I do now is I give with boundaries. One thing that has helped me while setting clear boundaries is educating those who depend on me financially about life abroad and also agreeing on a specific budget that will work for me when catering for expenses overseas. The truth is, sometimes they understand, and other times, you know how it goes. The second habit that will keep you broke as an immigrant is the need to prove that you are doing well. You don't want people thinking you're struggling, do you? No. And what do? You do everything in your power to look stable. You dress nice. You buy small treats. You post cute photos. You say yes to outings. You hide your struggles like state secrets. Meanwhile, your bank account looks like a crime scene. As immigrants, it is important to come into terms that we are starting over in a new country and we are figuring it out. It might take some time to figure things out, but once you do, everything works out eventually. Trying to look okay will keep you broke. Habit number 3 that will keep you broke as an immigrant is saying yes to everything. Pressure will have you saying yes to everything. Birthdays, baby showers, road trips, contributions, random emergencies, the please assist me people. Time passes, and you realize so many years have passed by, and you haven't helped yourself because you have been saying yes to everyone else apart from yourself. We can't build stability when every dollar has a destination that isn't yours. It is important to remind ourselves as immigrants that we need to build a strong foundation financially so that we can give more, without breaking ourselves to do it. Habit number 4 that will keep you broke as an immigrant is avoiding the financial system because it's confusing. Yes, you're earning money, but you're not using the system the way the system is designed. And that is how we stay stuck. When I came to Canada, I didn't understand anything. Credit score, registered accounts, tax brackets, housing market. I was making money, but I wasn't positioning myself to grow my money. Because in Canada, your money doesn't grow by accident. It grows by understanding the system, or at least knowing where to start. What I have come to learn in Canada is the system rewards people who plan, people who understand how to use things like TFSAs, RRSPs, FHSAs, credit, taxes, and insurance strategically. And if you don't, the system quietly eats your money through interest, penalties, bad products, poor decisions, and no one explains this to you unless you ask. As an immigrant, it is important to learn the basics of the financial system in the country you have immigrated to. At the bare minimum, learn how the system affects you. Financial literacy isn't common sense. It is taught. Get guidance. Sit down with someone licensed to break it down in simple words. You don't have to know everything. You just need to know enough to make the system work for you, instead of watching it work against you. Habit 5. Working hard, but building nothing. A lot of us relocate with the same plan. Work hard, stack money, build a better life. But nobody told us working hard and building something are two completely different skills. And that's why so many immigrants stay stuck, busy, tired, grinding, but not actually growing. For years, I thought effort alone was the key. Overtime shift? Yes. Extra shift? Yes. 2 jobs? Why not? Side hustle on top of another side hustle? Sign me up. But after all that work, nothing was changing. No savings, no investments, just bills, rent, and survival mode on repeat. That's when it hit me. I wasn't building a life. I was maintaining one. The truth is, the system rewards strategy, not exhaustion. You can work yourself into the ground and still have nothing to show for it if you never pause to build. Build credit, build savings, build assets, build a plan. Hard work pays bills, but smart work builds a future. We didn't move across the world just to survive. We came to build. And the moment we shift from working harder to building smarter, our whole story changes. Let me take this opportunity to thank you all for 400 subscribers. Thank you for your support. I don't take it for granted. And as a disclaimer, everything I am sharing in this video is just my experience, not financial advice. If you ever need personalized guidance, speak to a licensed financial professional who can look at your specific situation. Habit number 6, having no emergency fund. Here is the harsh truth. Canada will test you. Unexpected bills, job changes, immigration fees, dental emergencies, car repairs. They don't knock. They kick the door open. And if you have no emergency fund somewhere, every small problem becomes a financial crisis. Every crisis becomes a debt. And every debt becomes a setback. And that's the cycle that keeps us stuck. An emergency cushion doesn't have to start big. A few $100s can be the difference between stability and another story. The final habit that will keep you stuck as an immigrant is waiting to have more before starting your financial journey. We grow up hearing, "Let me just get a better job first. Let me stabilize. Let me wait until I'm making real money." And because of that mindset, years go by before we take the first step. For many of us, this comes from survival mode. When you move to a new country, you come with pressure, new bills, new systems, unexpected expenses, and family depending on you. So you start believing that saving or investing is only for later when life becomes easier. But here's the truth. Later never arrives unless you create it. Waiting to have more keeps you stuck. And the saddest part? You delay building the very habits that would help you create the stability you're waiting for. Most immigrants don't realize this, but the habit of delaying is expensive. Your financial journey doesn't begin when you have more. It begins when you start using what you already have with intention. And that shift, that's the real beginning of success, not the amount of money you are putting aside. These habits that keep us stuck come from survival, from guilt, from pressure, from culture. But once you see them, you can change them. Gently, slowly, without shame. Tell me which habit slapped you the most. Because me, I have lived every single one. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If this spoke to you, subscribe. We are growing slowly, and that's enough. I'll see you in my next video.